Hey, how's it going, guys? My name's Nathan, and this is my first vlog ever. I've seen quite a few people doing vlogs and stuff, so I thought I might as well try it. I think my life's pretty interesting. As you can see, just walking around my room, I have a bow on the wall there. I have posters of Avengers and a ukulele, and I play instruments. I love instruments. Instruments are great. They make music. I like music. And, so yeah, I'll just be vlogging my life every once in a while. I watch plenty of YouTubers, as I already said, and so I might imitate some of them sometimes, but don't take it as trying to copy or something like that. So I wanted to actually show you how I can solve a Rubik's Cube. Now that is an unsolved Rubik's Cube. As you can see, no two colors are touching, so it is a 100% scrambled Rubik's Cube. And I wanted to show how fast I can solve it. If I can find a good place to set you down. Maybe I can set you down in a little warthog here. Is that gonna stay? You can see? Can you see? Ready? Alright, let me... This isn't the best time for me, but I'm just doing this just to demonstrate, for fun, just for something to do, my first vlog. I have no idea what kind of audience I'll get, if any, probably not. But you never know, anything's worth a try, so just give them the best shot. The quality won't be the best because I'm not recording on like a high definition or some HD megapixel super camera or anything. I'm just recording on the front facing camera on my Samsung Galaxy Player 4.2. Also, the Samsung Galaxy Player 4.2 doesn't have ability to record video from the front-facing camera, so I'm using an app for that. It was about 2 minutes, maybe. Maybe a little longer. It wasn't the best, but there you go. Totally solved Rubik's Cube. I learned that, I want to say half a year ago, maybe. Just been practicing. My best time was 1 minute 20 seconds. It's nowhere near the world record of, what is it, like 16 seconds? I don't know, something absolutely crazy. I don't even know how that's possible. You'd have to like super grease the axles or something. I don't know. I don't think I'll ever be that good, but you know, it's fun to bring that around to show people. And they're all, oh, you should enter a competition and be the best Rubik's Cuber ever. I'm like, well, yeah, no, because I can't solve it in 16 seconds. Yeah, I hope I'll be able to keep up these vlogs. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. And as always, get Zoom tight.